Hey guys, I'm here to show you how to use your Medela Symphony hospital grade pump. In your kit, it'll come with the pump itself, a power cord, and then also a bottle caddy. This just slides on the back of the pump so you can carry your bottles around a little easier. Along with your pump, you're gonna need your pumping supplies. Those can also come in a kit. I'm gonna show you how to put it all together. So you're gonna have your bottle. The bottles in the kit are a little bit bigger. Your membranes, your connector with your flange, and these are customizable, so make sure you get the fit that's comfortable for you. Tubing, and our membrane that goes on the pump. So I'm going to take my connector. It already has the flange in there, but it goes in this part that points upward. We put the membrane on this bottom one and then attach our bottle. Just make sure everything's in there good and tight. On your tubing, you have two different sides. So I have a smaller side. That one's going to go to the bottle end, and this bigger side that has the darker yellow, that's going to go on the membrane for the pump. Smaller end, I'm going to go ahead and put in here. There's a small little hole for it. Just push it in, make sure that's good and tight, and then take this bigger one with the darker yellow. It's actually shaped like a triangle, so it fits right in here really good. And make sure it gets good and flush. You want to make sure all your parts are nice and tight so that you have a good seal. So when it comes to using your pump, what looks like a little handle is a little bit of a door. So we're going to hit this button and it'll open up, and that's the working mechanism part of your pump. You can single pump or double pump, so one or both at the same time. And I'm going to put my membrane part on nice and tight. The tubing goes off to the side. There's a little bit of an indent so you can see. And I'm going to push it down. Make sure it's good and tight, and you can close the door or you can leave it open. I'm going to leave it open so I can go ahead and show you what it looks like when it's working. And I'm going to put my flange on and start pumping. So to start, I'm just going to hit this power button. It'll immediately start in massage or stimulation mode, and that's to go ahead and get your letdown to happen. And you can see this is moving pretty quickly. And we can turn the dial on the front to turn up the suction, and it also turns up the speed, or you can turn it down if that's uncomfortable. Once your milk starts flowing, you're gonna wanna hit this button with the arrow and the drops, and that puts it into expression mode, which is those longer, deeper pulls to really get the milk out. So you can see it's moving a lot slower. And we want the suction to be strong but not uncomfortable. So mess with the dial until you find where it's comfortable for you. And then to finish pumping, you just hit the power button again. And that's it.